Far across vast tropical grasslands, the magnificent gray Brahman bull stands as one of the world's most recognizable cattle breeds. Its muscular body, loose skin, distinctive shoulder hump, and naturally curved white horns have made it admired for generations. Known for strength, endurance, and adaptability, the gray Brahman has long supported agriculture. Its naturally sourced horn material is also valued by skilled craftsmen for creating durable, handcrafted products. Our journey begins at a modern horn processing factory, where carefully sourced horns arrive after all required inspections and legal sourcing procedures. Every shipment is documented before entering production. Experienced workers unload the horns and place them on large sorting tables, where each piece is examined for size, thickness, color, natural grain, and structural quality to determine its most suitable use. Only the highest quality horns continue to the next stage. Any horn showing deep cracks, excessive damage, or structural defects is separated for alternative industrial uses. The selected horns display smooth natural curves, dense material, and attractive color patterns. This careful grading ensures that every finished product will combine beauty, durability, and long-lasting performance. The approved horns move into the cleaning department. Dust, dirt, and natural surface residue are removed using high-pressure water, specialized brushes, and environmentally controlled cleaning solutions. Workers carefully scrub every surface while preserving the horn's natural texture. After washing, the horns are thoroughly rinsed and placed on drying racks, where controlled airflow removes remaining moisture before further processing. Once completely dry, technicians measure every horn using precision templates and digital measuring tools. Each horn is marked according to the product it will become. Larger sections are reserved for furniture, inlays, lamps, and decorative pieces, while smaller sections are selected for knife handles, luxury pens, jewelry, combs, and handcrafted accessories. Every cut is planned to minimize waste and maximize the natural beauty of the material. The marked horns are carried to powerful precision saws, where experienced operators carefully remove the solid horn tips and divide each horn into workable sections. Every cut follows the horn's natural curve to preserve its strength and attractive grain. Careful planning allows the factory to make the best possible use of every piece of material while reducing unnecessary waste. Next, the horn sections enter controlled heating chambers. Gentle heat softens the natural material, making it flexible without damaging its unique structure. Skilled technicians closely monitor the temperature and timing throughout the process. Once softened, each piece is quickly transferred to heavy steel presses, where it is flattened or shaped according to the design of the final product. After cooling, the hardened horn blanks move to the machining area. Computer-guided cutting machines and skilled craftsmen work together to create accurate shapes. Some pieces become elegant knife handles, while others are prepared for pens, jewelry, spoons, decorative inlays, and home decor. Every design is carefully produced to maintain both strength and natural beauty. The shaped pieces continue through several stages of sanding, using progressively finer abrasives. Rough edges disappear as the horn develops a smooth, refined surface. Experienced workers inspect every item by hand, removing even the smallest imperfections. This careful attention to detail prepares each product for the polishing stage, where its rich, natural patterns begin to shine. The final stage brings each horn product to life. Soft polishing wheels create a deep, natural gloss that highlights the unique color and texture of every piece. After a detailed quality inspection, the finished products are cleaned, carefully packaged, and prepared for shipment to customers around the world. From a natural raw material to elegant handcrafted goods, this remarkable journey reflects the skill, precision and dedication behind modern horn craftsmanship. Before packaging, every finished product undergoes one final inspection. Skilled quality control specialists check the surface finish, dimensions, color consistency, and overall craftsmanship. Any item that does not meet the factory's strict standards is returned for refinishing. Only products that pass every inspection are approved for the next stage. Each approved item is carefully cleaned to remove dust and fingerprints before being wrapped in protective materials. Luxury products receive individual packaging to prevent scratches. During transport, larger decorative pieces are secured inside custom boxers, while smaller accessories are arranged in protective trays designed for safe international shipping. Inside the warehouse, workers organize the finished products according to customer orders. Every package is labeled with product information, batch numbers, and destination details. Efficient inventory systems help the factory track each shipment, ensuring that every order reaches wholesalers, retailers, and craftsmen around the world on schedule. This factory demonstrates how traditional craftsmanship can work alongside modern manufacturing technology. While advanced machinery improves precision and consistency, the final appearance of every horn product still depends on the experience and careful hands of skilled artisans who understand the natural beauty of the material. As our tour comes to an end, we have witnessed the complete journey from carefully sourced horn material to beautifully finished luxury products. Thank you for joining us inside this modern White Brahman bullhorn factory. If you enjoyed this factory documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more behind-the-scenes manufacturing videos. See you in the next factory tour.